Group 4.
I am Joey Malones.
I am Hadrian Anildura, and today we're going to dissect a parrotfish.
And to identify the external parts and internal parts of parrotfish.
Parrotfish or Chlorurus bleekeri are a group of colorful tropical fishes native to shallow seas. They are known for their bird-like beaks, which is used for feed on coral polyps and algae.
So now I will going to classify the parts of fish. This is the dorsal fin. This is the eyes or orbit. This is the nares. This is the gill arc. This is the mouth, the free maxilla and maxilla. This is the pectoral fin. This is the pelvic fin. This is the vent or anus. This is the anal fin. This is the caudal fin and the lateral line. That's all. Thank you.
Going to present internal organ of fish. This is like esophagus, teeth, gills or gill arc, brain, heart, liver, kidney, and swim bladder, intestine, lateral line, and muscle, anus.